Wonder why it's hard to stay hard when you're on the bottom? You probably think it's a blood flow thing, but have you ever thought about your level of sexual arousal as a potential factor? For some men, visual cues are an important ingredient for their arousal. Maybe you like to view your partner from behind or get really turned on watching your penis during intercourse. It's normal for mental and genital arousal to fluctuate based on your subjective level of arousal. So if you're finding it hard to stay hard when your partner's on top, here's a few things you can consider. Play with lighting to enhance your visual senses. Keep your eyes open when your partner is facing you during forward straddle. Use mirrors to connect with visual cues that turn you on, like watching your partner ride you reflected back in that mirror. If your partner's ass turns you on, or you like to be front and center watching your penis during intercourse, ask your partner to straddle you backwards instead of forwards. Rev up your engine with a little 69 before transitioning to forward straddle position. Pump your penis up and down with some intentional pelvic muscle contractions to enhance stimulation and orgasm. Positional blood flow changes to your penis are questionable, especially when you're really turned on. Compare forward straddle to 69. When you're on your back in the 69 position, but your erection is still hard, same position, different sexual stimulus, and eye candy. Not all of these suggestions are going to fit well with every penis owner and their partner. So be creative and stay curious with ways you can use your senses to enhance both you and your partner's sexual pleasure. Thanks for watching! If you like this video, be sure to subscribe below for more.